This little filter that plugs here is important if you see that your system is leaking somewhere, like here, because this is pulling air inside. So you have to make sure it's clean, and this one you see goes in this direction. Here's going to be the filter, and this is going to be connected to the other side when it's mounted here. So you just have to make sure that it's clean inside. Now I already pulled it. It's a little difficult to pull it sometimes, but you see there is a little cut over there. It's just for air. Just make sure it's not obstructed. You can put water, it's going to come out, a little bit of water only. But this is important, because if this doesn't breathe, your system will not work when you do the filtration. See, this is how it is when it's assembled, and now I'm going to show you how it is. You put it back in. You have to go from that little hole up. That's the only way. And then you're gonna connect it there, right there. Now with one hand, it's a little complicated, but you see, like that. And you will see that this guy is gonna breathe. Now I'm gonna tighten it later with two hands when you put the system in cleaning mode, or whatever this guy is called. Regen. Okay. It's gonna breathe from there, so you have to make sure it's clean. I mean, it's breathing, so it's not obstructed, not clean. Another thing you have to make sure, see, this is all dirty because the water accumulated on top and then it was falling because this was obstructed. That's a overload for the water. The water was up to here because there was obstructed. It was not overloading the excess water. Now it's fine again. That's where this filter is getting the salt mixed with the water when he has to do his own filtration too. So you have to make sure that when you do regenerate, pressing two buttons here, this is going to suck a little bit of salted water to make the cleaning, of course. So make always sure those two parts are clean.